Today we visited Folly Farm in Tenby, Pembrokeshire, and what a fantastic day it was. Folly Farm started life as a dairy farm. After noticing that families were stopping by the roadside to pet and watch their cattle, the farmer and his wife Anne decided to diversify into tourism. In 1998, the dairy farm was converted to receive visitors. Now guests could stop and visit Folly Farm cows and see them being milked. Over the last 25 years, Folly Farm has grown with continued investment. The first zoo animals arrived in the park in 2002. Folly Farm receives 500,000 visitors each year. Initially a farm attraction, the park is now home to an indoor vintage funfair, a zoo with over 200 different species of animals, and an extensive indoor and outdoor play area. The original farm has expanded and now covers a significant part of the park, including a large undercover jolly barn area featuring horses, goats, sheep, pigs and smaller petting animals. And that's where we started today. Then moving on to reptiles and fish. In 2014, Folly Farm opened Pride of Pembrokeshire to house 6 African lions. And the close-up views we got of these outstanding lions was unbelievable. I'd never seen them so close up, and they were quite a sight to see. Being called Folly Farm, we expected cows, goats, rabbits, guinea pigs. What we didn't expect were lions, camels, rhinos, giraffes. And we've got to say it was an absolutely fantastic close-up experience with most of the animals. All the animals were looking lively, healthy, had plenty of space. And it was a fantastic day full of variety for all the kids and adults alike, including grandparents. We headed over to the Rhino Reserve. We were lucky enough to see this big fella take a wee against a fence. Check out these sprays. Psst, psst. Never seen anything like it. In 2017, Folly Farm was named 10th best zoo in the entire world as part of a TripAdvisor Traveller's Choice Award, which is some feat. But it's easy to see why, because you can get really close to some of these fantastic animals. We even got to see some of these reindeers. No doubt these will be used as part of the Santa's grotto around Christmas time. It's worth noting that there's good toilet facilities throughout, disabled access and family-friendly large toilets. You can take a packed lunch. There's outside picnic areas. There's an indoor picnic area. There's also places where you can buy lunch and hot food on the day. So don't worry about lunch, they've got you covered. fairs and farms have gone together for many years, and often throughout history people would work on both, and Folly Farm are keeping that tradition alive. Their fairground is a grand collection of historic rides, all in good working order, ready for you to jump on. And while you're riding, the music reflects the old-time fairground feel. You'll also see information on each ride telling you its fascinating story. All rides have been restored with beautiful fairground art. It's worth noting that some of the rides, including the outside go-karts, does cost you extra money. So do the fairground rides and outside rides like the Ferris wheel and the slots. So conveniently there is a cash point there if you did need some extra money. Most of the rides are little one friendly, but some do have ride restrictions. Where possible, they will help visitors with disabilities to enjoy them too. So it's worth checking before you arrive or asking a member of the team on the day. And as I said before, you will pay a little extra for the rides as part of your visit to Folly Farm. It's probably less than what you'd pay at a funfair, but for a £20 entrance fee, you could probably double that by the time you've gone on all the rides here. Overall, for grandparents, parents, children, there was literally something here for everyone, and we easily filled our day on all of the activities. We didn't even get time to visit the adventure parks. So maybe next time we head down to this part of the world, we'll pay another visit. But all there was time for really was to head for the exit, have a look around the shop, choose some form of souvenir or toy that bears no relevance to Folly Farm. In this case it does. And head out the door. But we've had a thoroughly great day and we'd recommend it to everyone.